Hello everyone, I Tushar Sharma with my colleague Vidushi Malik is hereby presenting you a final year project which is optimization of cost of data centers using renewable sources of energy performed under the supervision of Mr. Avdesh Kumar Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Let me introduce you with the project. Our project is an AI model which is working on deep learning algorithm. With the rise in atmospheric temperature and the consumption of energy in the data centers has led the data centers go through excessive energy consumption. This increases the load of the server, which is resulting in the excessive heating of the server. The server's heating makes the server's integrated cooling system to work to get the excessive load and bring the temperature to the optimal range so that the server could perform efficiently. But integrated cooling system is taking a lot of energy to do the task. What we are doing, we are using an AI which is working on deep learning algorithm, and we will replace it with the server's integrated cooling system to work more efficiently and bring the temperature in the optimal range using less energy. As we can see from the diagram, the overall energy consumption of a server is dependent on three factors, that is cooling and power provision system, storage drives and servers. The 43% of the overall energy consumption in a data center is consumed by cooling processes. The server's temperature is controlled by two systems. One is AI system, second is server's integrated cooling system. We are changing the server's integrated cooling system with the AI to bring more efficient results. As we can see from the result that while using the AI, the energy consumed in a server is we can say 53, 40, 66 at different times, and as compared to the using without AI or say integrated cooling system, the energy consumed is much more than that of consumed with AI. So we can say that AI can work efficiently in the system. It is also shown from the above graph that energy consumption of AI is far more better than that of using with integrated system. Now let me show you our project. Our project consists of 5 different areas. First one is environment, and in environment we have defined the parameters on which the server is built, and these parameters are only for the AI. We can also change the parameters as per the server's requirement, different servers requirement, and can implement it in the different servers. The second one is brain of the AI. This brain of the AI controls the overall functioning of the system and converts the activation and deactivation units of the system. Also we are using the learning rate in it, which is 0.001. It is a quite normal learning rate for a AI model to adapt the environment of a server. Then we are using a deep learning algorithm. The deep learning algorithm is a deep learning algorithm which works on the Keras Adam optimizer and uses Adam optimizer to optimize the energy of the system. Then here is the training part and it is the testing part. And now let me show you the working, that how the training of the AI system, and show you that how it is efficient than that of without AI, using it without AI. It is a video show. It is the output that is showing. It is the working output of the system, AI model training, and giving the output efficiently with using the AI. Here we can see using AI energy consumed is much more less than that of using it without AI. Now that's all.